Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we're finishing up on this brand new Tesla Model 3 with a full radar laser defense system. So we have the 3 heads in front. So 2 RXs, 1 TX. And then we have the same thing on the rear, 2 RXs and 1 TX. Now on the rear here, we made one of our acrylic housings. And it's hard to tell, but it actually goes all the way across. If you see it, it goes all the way across, follows the taillight line, curves down the whole body, and then this notch is for the camera, right? So we still want the camera to be able to see out. So that's what this notch in it's for. But the nice thing is, I mean, it makes it look as if it came with the car. I mean, literally, you would have no idea that this has rear laser defense system. Radar receiver heads are in the bumper, and then we'll show you inside. And then so we did, this is the Escort Redline CIC, which is the radar defense. And this is the ALP controller, which is the laser defense. And then, so the nice thing is, you press that, gone, right? But you got all your controls here, really nice, easy, handy. And so it's really easy to get to, and it's really easy to know what's going on. On this particular vehicle, we also added this dash cam. So this is a forward-facing, inward-facing, and rearward-facing camera. So now the only thing is on these Teslas is you have to do a step-down module because the 12-volt battery system is now 15 volts, 15.5-ish. So if you just put in your dash cam or your radar detector on that, all the magic smoke will come out. So you don't want to do that, right? So we have to build this special module that's a step-down module. Basically, it takes it from the 15.5 to like 12.5 or 13.5, somewhere in that, because our electronics will operate within that. Technically, they'll operate all the way up to like 14.5, even 15, but it's pushing it. And you'll have all kinds of errors and things go wrong. So whenever you're working on the new Teslas, you must do a step down for all the additional electronics, because otherwise, unless they're rated for 15 and above, like there are things starting to come out that are 16 volts, up to 16 volts, up to 17 volts, and that's because of the new EVs. And so the client didn't want to drill holes in his brand new car, so we did a throw-in show. It's a custom version, and we did it off-center because obviously we want the TX and RXs to still be able to get all the information.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.